Welcome to Knowledge Talkies Daily today. Let's get to know about the process of electing a president in the most powerful country of the world, the United States of America. Presidential elections occur every 4 years on Election Day, which since 1845 has been the first Tuesday after the first Monday in November. This date coincides with the general elections of various other federal, state, and local races. Since local governments are responsible for managing elections, these races typically all appear on one ballot. The Electoral College electors then formally cast their electoral votes on the first Monday after December 12th at their state's capital. Congress then certifies the results in early January, and the presidential term begins on Inauguration Day, which since the passage of the 20th Amendment has been set at January 20th. The nomination process, consisting of the primary elections and caucuses and the nominating conventions, was not specified in the Constitution, but was developed over time by the states and political parties. These primary elections are generally held between January and June before the general election in November, while the nominating conventions are held in the summer. Though not codified by law, political parties also follow an indirect election process, where voters in the 50 states, Washington, D.C., and U.S. territories cast ballots for a slate of delegates to a political party's nominating convention, who then elect their party's presidential nominee. Each party may then choose a vice presidential running mate to join the ticket, which is either determined by choice of the nominee or by a second round of voting. Because of changes to national campaign finance laws since the 19th regarding the disclosure of contributions for federal campaigns, presidential candidates from the major political parties usually declare their intentions to run as early as the spring of the previous calendar year before the election. If the president is not chosen by Inauguration Day, the vice president-elect acts as president. If neither are chosen by then, Congress by law determines who shall act as president, pursuant to the 20th Amendment. Unless there are faithless electors, disputes, or other controversies, the events in December and January mentioned above are largely a formality, since the winner can be determined based on the state-by-state popular vote results. Between the general election and Inauguration Day, this apparent winner is referred to as the president-elect, unless it is a sitting president who has won re-election.